Buddies, welcome back to another video. It's Royal. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video. I apologize for that. But on the bright side, I'm back now. And today we have the DOSS wireless Bluetooth speaker. Now this speaker is a very good rated speaker on Amazon. It has a lot of reviews and good ratings. In my opinion, it's one of Amazon's, it might be one of the best budget Bluetooth speakers on Amazon. So aside from the speaker, it comes with a micro USB to charge, but no wall adapter, so you're gonna have to provide your own. And also it comes with an auxiliary cord. Y'all know I love when companies provide extra stuff, and they got an auxiliary cord. It's short, but it's better than nothing. The design, I like it. It's simple, it's clean. This particular color stands out. I think most of the colors outside of black pretty much stands out. So if you're looking for something more incognito, I'll suggest you go with the black one. That's more blended in, but it's clean. Like I said, I love its simplicity. It's pretty durable. The speaker grills don't push in. I know a lot of cheap speakers, when you push into the speaker grills, they sink in, but this one is pretty sturdy. I will say on the surface up top, this material used, it is prone to scratches very easily, like bumps and nicks. They will become noticeable. I made one scratch on it. I didn't know how. It might have came from the box. I really don't know. I don't know where it came from, but I know this particular material is easy to scratch. So aside from that, its overall build quality is pretty solid. There are no real major issues aside from that. If the top gets bumped, it will be scratched. So I don't think the likelihood of that happening is slim, but hey, who knows what people will do with their devices. Like I said, I like the design, I love the matte finish, and overall its looks and its durability, it's okay with me. For the I/O, we have micro USB to charge, a TF card slot to play music on your SD cards, your micro SD cards, line in for the aux, the on and off. So with the on and off, you have to press and hold for a couple of seconds to turn it on and off. It's not just press and it automatically comes on. So when it's on, if the ring light is flashing blue, that means it's pairing. It's in its pairing mode. On top, we have mode. There are 3 different modes. Bluetooth, of course, the TF card, and the aux. When the aux cord is plugged in, there's going to be a solid ring light. We have the play, pause, and the answer the phone button. Skip forward, skip back. Now this ring light, it controls the volume. If the speaker is facing you, clockwise to turn it up, counterclockwise to turn it down, and of course the opposite if the speaker is not facing you directly. Now these buttons on top, they are touch sensitive. There's no physical feedback once you press, so all you're doing is just pressing and it registers that information. So if you're not used to it, it may be a little weird at first, but I think it's something that you can adjust to easily. 2 drivers on the front, a couple of subwoofers on the bottom, like 1 or 2. It wasn't too much information on how many subwoofers there are, but there's 1 or 2. Let's go ahead and talk about what's really important, and that is the sound quality. Overall, the sound quality is good. It fills a small room, it fills a small area, has decent bass, it gets pretty loud, it doesn't distort at its maximum volume, and it's clear. You can hear the instruments, you can hear the sounds, it's good. However, if you're someone looking for more than just a small room or a small area, this isn't a speaker for you, because it will leave you wanting more if that's what you're looking for. So it does its job. It fills a small room and a small area, and you can hear well, you can hear the sound, it's clear, it doesn't get distorted. So it does its job, especially for $30. So I'm gonna play a small sample, but just be aware that, you know, you can't really appreciate the sound that I'm hearing through me recording and you listening on the other end. But like I said, it has good sound for $30 and you won't be disappointed. Oh, 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 oh.
Yeah, run up the bands. Watch how I run up the bands. Whole lot of dough in my hands. Hop out the bands. Drop the convertible coupe. I make it do what it do. Stick and I move. They mad I win and they lose. I don't got nothing to prove. Boy, use a fool. School them, I give them the juice. No, I don't play by the rules. I don't get mad. I just go get to the bag. They know I'm made like it's tag. Haters be sad. I come around and get mad. I got what they never had. That be the splash. Otherwise known as the drip. Talk to your girl like a pimp. Come get a glimpse. Flexing on muscle, but word around China's that use a little wimp. Peeking at this. She wanna love on me, I stay with dead presidents, keep me company, They can't keep up with me, Yellow, black, Rory, I call it a bumblebee,
A couple of things to note: it is compatible with the Amazon Echo Dot. It didn't specify any other Echo products, just the Dot, so you can connect via Bluetooth or the aux cord. Also, it is pretty sticky at the bottom, so you ain't got to worry about it sliding anywhere. And also, when it's about to die, it will make a sound every 30 seconds. We've reached the end of this video, buddies. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. I appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's all I have time. Till the next time, I'm going to holler at y'all later. Be easy.